Hi everyone, Ben Davis here from Arto Property Group, and wow, what a stunning day today it is on site. Welcome to our June construction update here at LaView Balmoral. June has been a big month on site, with residences moving deeper into the finishing stages and many of the design elements now coming together throughout the building. One of the most noticeable changes this month is the commencement of kitchens and cabinetry across the residences. The natural stone benchtops have also arrived on site, ready for installation. It's another step that helps owners start to appreciate just how the homes are coming together. Another major milestone this month has been the removal of the scaffolding to the roof and the upper level and part of the left-hand side of the building. As the scaffolding comes down, the architecture of LaView is becoming increasingly visible, while views from the penthouse and residence 4 and 5 are now becoming much clearer, providing stronger sense of position, privacy and outlook. Internally, tiling and flooring works continue progressing throughout the residences, while feature cove Italian travertine detailing is beginning to showcase the quality of finishes being delivered. Externally, rendering, painting and external works continue progressing and are further defining the overall presentation of the building. Looking ahead into July, you can expect to see the installation of natural stone benchtops, together continued with progress across rendering, painting and internal finishes throughout the residences. Thank you again for following along the journey, and we look forward to seeing you next month here at LaView Balmoral for another construction update.